We are back with another installment of What's in the Trailer. So this is my Champion 3100 peak generator. It's digital and very quiet. So here's how this works. If you're going to wheel it, this comes up here and it's got wheels on the back, and that makes it pretty easy to move. And coming around the front here, here's what we got. Okay, 30 amp RV plug. These are the circuit breakers. They will pop up if a fuse blows. I've never blown them. This is a regular plug here. Here's a 12 volt plug like your cigarette lighter. That's the ground. You won't use that. That's to hook up another generator in parallel. You won't use that. So this is the on-off switch. Up is on. This economy switch, you want to start it off. But what will happen is when the generator is on, if you turn this to economy, it will idle down. You'll hear it. It will spool down and it will be much quieter. This is the choke that you're going to use for starting. And here's your fuel. So we'll start it up. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to turn the fuel on. You're going to turn the generator on. Set economy to off. Pull the choke. And then you're going to pull this cord here. So let me see if I can do it sideways. Okay, so it's started up now. You let it warm up, push this in. So you hear that difference? So that's it. If you're going to run appliances, you're going to turn that on. You saw that green light light up for output. You're going to fill it up in here, and you just put fuel in until it gets to the top of that red ring there. And that's it. Have a great trip.